Hello, and welcome to the video Vort for Parshat Pekudei. This week we finished the construction of the Mishkan. All of Bnei Israel were involved in building the Mishkan. It was so exciting for everyone. But really, who are we kidding? Did all of Bnei Israel build the Mishkan? Was every single person involved in hammering and sewing? No! Bitzalel and his collection of Chachmei Lev, his artisans, were the ones who built the Mishkan, and everyone else just kind of sat on the side and watched. So why are we saying that Kol Adat Bnei Israel built the Mishkan? Who are we kidding? The Or HaChaim has a beautiful understanding. He says that if we look at the words of V'ahavta l'reacha kamocha, it can explain it all. Loving someone as ourselves means that you and I were part of the same group, that your success and my success fit together. Because if we think about it, there are 613 mitzvot. Way too many mitzvot for us ever to accomplish. Not because of the sheer number, but because I can't do certain mitzvot. There are certain mitzvot that are specific for men, certain mitzvot specific for women. Mitzvot that a Kohen can do and a Yisrael can't, and mitzvot that a Yisrael can do and a Kohen can't. We can't all fulfill the 613 mitzvot on our own. But as a collective, together, we can. The Or HaChaim explains, what does it mean that Kol Adat Bnei Israel built the Mishkan? As a collective group, all together united, we were able to complete the Mishkan. We couldn't have done it with just one person or just the other person. But Salah couldn't have done it on his own. We as a unit needed to come together and build the Mishkan. Good job.